In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the Pure Fun 38-inch exercise trampoline. This product comes with the frame pad, jump mat, and springs already pre-installed. There are a total of 32 springs attached to the trampoline. It also comes with 6 legs and 6 cabs for you to install. To install the legs, remove the cabs on the bottom of the frame of the trampoline and install the leg tubes to the frame. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.